Hello everyone. How to set up a solar powered ice block business in Nigeria is what I'm talking to you about today. Setting up a solar powered ice block business in Nigeria can be a sustainable and cost effective way to produce and sell ice blocks, especially in regions and areas with unreliable or expensive electricity supply. Many parts of Nigeria have little or no electrical energy supply from time to time. Instead of complaining about the problem, why can't you make money from the problem? By setting up a solar powered ice block business right here in Nigeria. You have been wondering how can this be done? That is exactly what I am going to explain to you in this video now. Here are the key details to consider. Number one is the location. Location. Choose a suitable location for your ice block production facility. It should have ample sunlight exposure to maximize the efficiency of your solar panels. Also consider proximity to your target market to minimize transportation costs. Number two thing you need to consider is solar panels and the system. Solar panels need key investments. Invest in high quality solar panels with sufficient capacity to generate the required electricity for your ice block machines. The capacity will depend on the size of your operation. Inverter and batteries are also needed. Install an inverter and batteries to store excess solar energy for use during non-sunny periods or at night. Charge controller. A charge controller regulates the flow of electricity between the solar panels and batteries, preventing overcharging and damage. Backup generator. To ensure uninterrupted production, consider a backup generator for cloudy days or system maintenance. Now, let's talk about the ice block machine itself. Purchase reliable ice block making machines that run on electricity. Ensure that they are compatible with your solar power system. The size and capacity of the machines should align with your production requirements. Now, when it comes to the buying or the sales of ice block machine, you need to buy from reliable individuals. Many people have come to this channel and have taken information and have run to unreliable individuals, and I have done that. My first ice block machine, which I've done a video on that, was a bad investment, but I learned from it and I've moved on after them. If you are looking to buy ice block machine or to make from reliable individuals, on this YouTube channel I have intimated us with reliable individuals, and if you need information or if you need me to link you with those reliable individuals, you can let me know depending on your budget. Recently somebody contacted me saying she have 200,000 naira and she want to make an ice block machine. I told her no, it cannot make ice block machine. It's not sufficient. An ice block machine is currently available for sale. It's a used one, but it's still good, and I know the owner of the machine directly. And that ice block machine is going for 1.4 million, and it's going to produce 100 ice blocks in 24 hours. So you can hurry up and contact me and let's talk about that. There are other types of ice block machine I've spoken about on this channel. Check out those videos on ice block machine and you're going to see them, and then you can get back to me and then we can discuss. It is, however, not compulsory that you get your ice block machine from me. You can get from anywhere. All I'm doing here is to provide you with information, but I see that some people are missing out on some things, and that's why I'm taking the bull by the horn on this. Now let's move on to number 4, which is the cold storage. You will need cold storage facilities to store the ice blocks once they are produced. Insulated rooms or freezers are essential to maintain the ice blocks integrity. You see, the ice block machine will produce the ice block maybe in 12 hours, maybe sometimes even in 8 hours. We have machines that do that. They will produce the ice blocks in 8 hours, in 12 hours, in 15 hours, in 24 hours. After it has produced and buyer has not come, are you going to leave the ice block machine in the machine? No. The ice block that have been freezing in the machine, no. You remove them, and that's why you store them in freezers and in cold rooms, and then you can put another water inside of the ice block machine, and then when buyers come, they will take from the cold room or from the freezer, which is used as storage, and then you cannot harvest from the ice block machine again into the storage facilities. Now, water supply. Ensure a reliable and clean water supply for making your ice blocks. A borehole or water purification system may be necessary. Now, let's talk about the business plan. You need to develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your investments, operational costs, pricing strategy, and revenue projections. Consider market research to identify demand for ice blocks in your chosen location. Licensing and regulation is number 7 point you want to look at. Register your business and obtain the necessary permits and licenses to operate a food-related business. If you want to register your business name, you can get in touch with me. If you want to register your company, you can get in touch with me, and I'm going to assist you on it. Then you need to comply with health and safety regulations also. Number 8 is the marketing and distribution. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your ice blocks to local retailers, supermarkets, fish vendors, event planners, and individuals. Establish distribution channels and delivery options. Number 9 is key area, which is the maintenance and repairs of the machine and the solar panels. Regularly maintain and inspect your solar power system and ice block machines to ensure they are in good working condition. Financial considerations now. Calculate your initial investments, including solar panel costs, ice block machines, cold storage, and operational expenses. Determine your pricing strategy to cover costs and generate profits. Keep detailed financial records and monitor your expenses and revenue. Number 11 is that you have to look at the environmental impact. Highlight the environmental benefits of using solar power, such as reduced carbon emissions and reliance on fossil fuel. Number 12 is customer service. Provide excellent customer service, ensuring that your ice blocks are of high quality and delivered on time. Then you need to make room for expansion. Consider plans for future expansion as demand for your ice blocks grow. In summary, starting a solar powered ice block business in Nigeria requires careful planning and investment, but it can be a sustainable, profitable venture, especially in areas with unreliable electricity supply. I have provided you this information at this time. I'm still going to give you more information on the solar panels itself, the cost, and there are other things you need to know about the solar panel used for ice block. I'm also bringing up to you in the next few videos I'm going to do example of where solar panels used for cold room and for ice block machine. So keep tuned and stay tuned, and then we are going to enjoy all this together. Until I come your way again in a short while, please, this video popping up right now is the next you need to see, and you are going to be glad you did. I will talk to you again after now.